Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome back to Matsa Surba online English lesson with me, Ratna Hidayati. How are you everyone? I hope all of you are happy and healthy and are ready to study. This is an English video lesson of grade 7 of SMP or MTS. Well, before starting, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika sholihin. May Allah let our heart be filled with light and insight and knowledge and understanding. Amin. The Islamic base of the lesson is Yunus Surah 10 verse 5. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Huwallazi ja'ala asy-syamsa diya'an wal qamara nuran wa qaddarahu manazila lita'lamu 'adada as-sinina wal hisab. Ma khalaqallahu dzalika illa بالحق يفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون. It is He who made the sun a shining light and the moon a derived light and determined for its phases, that you may know the number of years and account of time. Allah has not created this except in truth. He details the sign for a people to know. And here are the aim of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify cardinal and ordinal numbers, identify when cardinal and ordinal numbers are used, and read and write various cardinal and ordinal numbers. Let's start to talk about cardinal numbers. What are cardinal numbers? Well, cardinal numbers are numbers that are used for counting. These numbers is used to indicate quantity. And this answers the question, how many? Here are some cardinal numbers. Okay, I will read the numbers. Please listen to me carefully and repeat after me. 0. This one is also called O. Okay, I'll repeat once again. 0. O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 'Let's continue with team numbers. Team numbers are numbers that ends with teen. Okay, let's start the first one. Once again, repeat after me. Okay? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's continue with T numbers. Okay, again, I will read the numbers. Please listen to me carefully and repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's notice the difference between thin numbers and T numbers. Let's have an example now. I am 14 years old and my mother is 40. Okay, now look at this. 14 starts with 1. The numbers have 2 digits and start with 1. This is thin numbers. And T numbers, 2 digits. Okay, the numbers have 2 digits. Okay, and ends with 0. Okay, this example is 40. Okay, so don't be confused. T numbers have the tens and the units. They are separated by a hyphen. Look at this. This one is 31, 42, 75, and 96. How to write the numbers? Let's have a look. 31, 42, 75, 96. Now, pay attention on the hyphen. Okay? Right, each of them has hyphen between the tens and the units. Let's continue with 100. Right, this one is read as 100 or 100. This one is 500. And this one is 900. After 100, you need N. Look at this number. This is read as 101. 250. 365. 679. Okay, now we discuss about 1,000. When 100 has 3 digits, 1,000 has 4 digits. Well, look at the example now. This is 1,000 or 1,000. 5,000. 9,000. After 1,000, you need a comma. Look at this number. 1,000, comma, 4. Okay, we read it as 1004. 1118. 3500. 6894. Okay, pay attention on how we write the numbers. Okay, after thousand, you have comma. But when you read it, you don't need to say the comma. Okay, directly say the number. 1004. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. Number has 7 digits. We call it million. Look at this. This one is 1 million or a million. 5 million. Look at this. This is 5 million. You don't have an S over here. Okay, the same. This one is 9 million. Remember, when you say million, although the number at the beginning is more than 1, like 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, you don't need to write millions. Omit the S. Okay? Well, it's time for you to do the exercise. Look at this. This is exercise 1. It's about cardinal numbers. How do we write the numbers? Okay, find the instructions of this exercise and the worksheet on a Google form attached on your Google Classroom. Okay, so you will not find the instruction here. Similarly, you will not find the numbers on your Google Classroom. Okay, so your Google Classroom, the Google form is used to write the answer of this exercise. After having an exercise about cardinal numbers, now let's continue talking about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are numbers that are used to show order, sequence, or rank. Well, look at these robots. They are racing. Okay, look at this. This is the position. Okay, this one shows position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Now, pay attention on how they are written. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Right. So please remember, ordinal numbers. Here are numbers that is used to show order, sequence, or rank. Now, how ordinal numbers are written? Look at the ordinal numbers ending. Look at this. First ends with ST. Second ends with ND. Third ends with RD. Fourth ends with TH. Okay, and also the other numbers end with TH. Look at this. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, now let's look at the number more closely. This one is first. When you write this with the number, with the symbol of the number, then you write 1ST because this ends with ST. Okay? So this is read as first, 21st, 31st. What about number 2? Okay? To show an ordinal number, we write the symbol of 2 and with ND. Second, this one is 22nd, 32nd. And this one is third. So the symbol of 3 and RD at the end. Okay? Third, 23rd, 33rd. Okay. There are some exceptions. Okay, look at this. 11th. Although this number ends with 1, we don't write it as 10 first. No, but it's 11th. Ends with TH. Look at this. 11th. Okay, this one is also ends with TH. This one is 12th. And 13th. Okay, while other numbers, except the numbers that I have mentioned before, okay, ends with TH. Okay, do you still remember our previous lessons about dates? Right, ordinal numbers deal with dates. Look at this, how to read this. We will say, today is September the 23rd, 2020. Or, today is the 23rd of September, 2020. Well, we have discussed about ordinal numbers. Now, let's continue with the exercise. Exercise 2, ordinal numbers. Okay, the same with what we have on exercise 1. You have to find the instructions and the worksheet of this exercise on a Google form attached on your Google Classroom. Okay, look at this. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Now, number 6 is a bit different. Okay, do you still remember that ordinal numbers can be used to show or to say the order? Okay, look at these cars. They are having race. Okay, now the question is, which car is in the third place? Number 7. Which car is in first place? Number 8. Which car is in second place? Number 9. Which car is in seventh place? Number 10. Which car is in 4th place? Well, we have discussed both cardinal and ordinal numbers. Now let's have the summary. Cardinal numbers are used for counting or to show quantity. Ordinal numbers are used to show order or sequence and to tell the dates. There are rules to follow in writing both cardinal and ordinal numbers. Well, that's all. This is the end of the lesson. Let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you so much for your attention and see you again on the next video lesson. Bye-bye.